Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, people, it is time to call out the name of the winner for the $25 gift for the international subscribers. Now, listen up, people. I appreciate everything you have done for the channel. Thank you for all the love and the support. And I know what you're gonna say. I'm a week behind. No, I did not transition through the new year well at all. Not trying to make up any excuses, but I do wanna thank you for being patient and for being understanding. We're gonna use the random picker to pick the winner. And with that being said, again, thank you. Let's go ahead and hit the button to see who the winner is of this $25 cash gift. All right, you all, congratulations to Raj. Raj is a winner. He spells his name R-A-J. Now, if I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. He is a winner, so help me congratulate him. And thank you all for being so patient, so understanding. And also thank you all for participating in all the giveaways. All right, you all, I told you I was gonna get you in, I was gonna get you out. Again, thank you for all the support and the love. And I'm gonna see you all at the next video. So take care and have a great rest of your day and or night.